Helps gently cleanse hair without drying out. Formulated with acacia honey, wheat protein and vitamin E. Offers nourishing, repairing and detangling benefits. A nourishing, deliciously scented shampoo. Helps gently cleanse hair without drying out. Formulated with acacia honey, wheat protein and vitamin E. Offers nourishing, repairing and detangling benefits. Tames frizz and combats humidity. Infused with a delicate oatmeal and honey fragrance. Leaves hair soft, smooth, shiny and manageable. Ideal for dry, damaged hair. Ingredients. Water, Aqua, O, sodium Laureth sulfate, Dimethiconol, Cocamidopropyl Betaine, Glycerin, Phenoxyethanol, Potassium chloride, Glycol Distearate, Carbomer, Fragrance, Parfum, TEA-Dodecylbenzenesulfonate, Guar Hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, Amodimethicone, sodium chloride, Triethanolamine, T-sulfate, citric acid, Disodium EDTA, PEG45M, Mica, sodium benzoate, TRIDECETH12, Citrimonium chloride, magnesium nitrate, cyclopentasiloxane, silica, tocopherol acetate, methylchloroisothiazolinone, magnesium chloride, methylisothiazolinone, hydrolyzed wheat protein, avena sativa, oat, kernel extract, PEG60 hydrogenated castor oil, Helianthus annuus, sunflower, seed oil, honey, meal, potassium sorbate, lactic acid, Rosmarinus officinalis, rosemary, leaf extract, ppg9, benzyl benzoate, cinnamol, eugenol, limonene, iron oxides, C77491, titanium dioxide, C77891, yellow 5, C19140, yellow 6, C15985. Directions. Work through roots to ends and rinse thoroughly. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Both the product and the supplier, Tools for Beauty, were great. Love the product and have for years and found very difficult to find. Purchased some months ago from a different supplier who sent me shampoo in very old packaging that turned out to be over 10 years old product and was damaged upon receipt, which is why I note the supplier in this order. Packaged very well and in current bottle type. Shampoo is the best, so I was very happy to finally get it since not sold anywhere near me.